Today we're going to unbox the brand new wireless earphones DT9 from Little Pig store in AliExpress. Thanks to them, this video is sponsored by them, and we will see what we have in these earphones, what they have to offer us, what specification they have. As you can see in the outside box, we have music time up to 4 hours and charging 300 mAh case. So let's begin with the unboxing. As you can see, immediately it shows up the charger and micro USB that we have in the box. Also, we have here a little damage, as you can see, but that is maybe from factory mistake or whatever. That is not so important. What is important is these earphones to work as they should. Underneath we have the user manual as usual. As you can see, the user manual is very little. We have Chinese and English in the back, which is a very good thing in today's market if you want to ship your earphones worldwide. Let's turn the Bluetooth on and try to connect them, see if we have any trouble connecting them or they will connect immediately. Let's go ahead and pop them off the cap. They fit really snug in your ear. Pair new device, as you can see, DT9 immediately it shows. They fit really good in your ear. I'm not hearing myself really good because they have very good surrounding noise cancelling. Let's try this one. Okay, the sound is very good, very clear. Let's try another one. This one has more sound to it. With full audio, the voice is coming really good. The bass is really good. And we have enough sound. As you can see in the music video, when the bass hits, you actually can feel it. It's very good sound coming from the DT9 earphones. I actually enjoy wearing these, and I see myself wearing these in the gym or for a run or something else. These are very comfortable to wear for a long time, and the sound is actually really good. So with one tap, right or left, you will pause or play the video. With the left one as well. And we have other options like double tap. As you can see, with double tap you will raise the volume with the right earphones. With the left one, double tap, you will increase or decrease the volume. As you can see, the right one turns the volume up, the left one turns it down, which is very useful, so you don't have to use your phone every time to turn the volume up or to change the song. As you can see, press and hold, it will open up the Google Assistant. As you can see, it opens up the Instagram without any problem. Let's try that one more time. Open YouTube, it will open up the YouTube again, so that means the microphone works pretty good. We can use these for calls and other things. So guys, this was all for today's video, unboxing the DT9 earphones from Little Pig store and the AliExpress. The link will be down in the description.